Hi team, today we are going to see the functionality of advanced account forecasting in manufacturing cloud and its advantages. Previously, we have seen the functionality of account based forecast in which we get the two-dimensional view of our account that is relating it to product and product schedules, and the forecast metrics that we calculate here are a formulated value which remains same for every account in our system, but we change the scenario with using the advanced account forecast. In advanced account forecast we get a multidimensional view for our accounts, or even we can change the context. We can change the context from account to a territory. So what does this do is, if we have the forecast context as territory, we can forecast based upon our industrial segments over here and forecast based upon different industrial segments thereon. So forecasted quantity and forecasted revenue, we can again change this value for a forecast for different schedules, like uh, the schedule from April to May would have a different way of calculating the forecasted quantity or revenue, and again June to July schedules would have a different way of calculating the forecast revenue. And we can even take in consideration the last year's order quantity or even other custom measures that we want as our custom requirement. We can make use of that, and we can even increase the dimensions to multi-dimension level. Like we can change the forecast context to anything that we require, and then have multi-dimensional view on it, like product variant and supplier component, and we can fix all the measures that we want. And even the forecasted quantity, we can change it in different ways. We can even do pricing insights from it. We can use it to do seasonal demands. We can use it to uh, do forecasting, which can be help to us to get a view of what is the total production amount that we have to get ready with in the coming schedules, and so on. And this was about the advanced account forecasting. Thank you.